Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. This just came in. Yatagarasu Technology will be releasing the 1:100 scale light of orb, which is the Akatsuki model kit, which has the normal color scheme. The release date is around the fourth quarter of 2025. They will release two versions of this kit. One is the two backpack and one body, which is priced around 199 RMB, roughly about $28 US. And the second one will be priced at 299 RMB with two backpacks and two bodies, which is around $42 US. Just an FYI, price may varies wherever you're getting it from. You know, this scheme is kinda silly. I would not mind paying the extra cost by getting two Akatsuki's main suit with an extra two backpacks on it. At least this way, I don't have to swap my model kit in between the torso and the body. Well, that's just me. But then again, they decided to release the standard gold edition version. Just an FYI, this is based on a resin conversion kit. They're probably going to be using a modified Master Grade RM Strike inner frame. No word as of yet if they will include both backpacks on this version of the kit. And the price for this one is to be announced for later. Anyway, that's it for me for now. Thank you for reaching this far. See you on the next video.